Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am here and going to present to you a traditional style of cooking pork with mustard greens, which are quite available these days. So I thought why not prepare and show them the way we eat at home. So let's check out what are the ingredients that we need. So we need pork. This has been cleaned and ready to literally go. Then we will need onions, slit green chilies. We have the mustard greens, which has been not finely chopped but roughly chopped, and then salt. And there you have our khar. This is a bamboo halchi, as we locally call here in Garo, or else it's called khar throughout amongst most of the tribes in northeast India. And I must say the firewood isn't too good. So we're just going to blow it and we are ready to start. So first of all, add your pork into a kadai and I'm going to add some water. And salt. Stir it well. And now we are going to cover and cook it for 10 minutes. My eyes are tearing up literally. Oh, the smoke is killing. So let me make the fire. So guys, initially, if you have observed, we do add a little water so that the meat gets, lightly cooked. And if you see now, all these fat from the meat started gently oozing out, and this is what we are looking forward to, so that when we add our onions and slit green chilies, they cook in the lard itself, or I would say, sorry, the fat itself. So I hope you are going to watch this video till the end. Let's carry on to the next step now. And I'm going to lightly toss it now and then so that we can add the onions and our slit green chilies here. So add them all. And just stir it well until the onions are translucent and your chilies are cooked. So we will wait. Our next step here is to add this halchi, and I'm adding like 1 full ladle. I gave like about 1.5 of it, and this will tenderize the meat. And if you're wondering what khalchi is or khar is, basically it's an alkaline solution made out of banana ash, which is called Aithya Kola. And if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to go to the dashboard and check out all the videos. Also, if you enjoy Northeast Indian food or are really curious about it, this is a great place to be at, is what I think so. And you can go ahead and check out all the different playlists of the different tribes in Northeast India and try out their dishes. So today we are cooking this mustard greens with pork, and we are going to add what do you call rice flour powder towards the end so that we can thicken the gravy. And it's going to be a gruel, but a main course which we enjoy having with steamed rice. So I'm going to cover and cook it for a minute once this is cooked. So for now, just gently toss it and ensure that it's not burned. I usually don't cook in firewood, so I have Nochi on the other side of the camera who is helping me out. So big thank you to her. So we're adding this beautifully refreshing looking mustard greens, and I'm going to add a little bit of khalchi now. Yeah, another half a ladle, and then we're going to stir it. Okay. Cover and cook this until the water from the leaves starts to ooze out. As you can see, the leaves have already become flaccid, and this has to really cook well. We are not done yet. I'm going to cover and cook it again for another 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, I'm also available on Facebook and Instagram, and my pages or account are also called Snigda's Bioscope. So please do go ahead and follow me for more updates other than cooking, and you'll get to see more on what and all I do other than the videos. So I'm sure you're gonna love them just like you do the YouTube channel. And I'm really sorry, I have cold, and that is why my voice might be a little bit husky and not able to speak too well because of the sore throat that's kind of kicking in. But let's keep that aside and watch this dish get cooked. To continuously stir it so that the leaves literally are, I would say, turns into a pulp, because once this phase is over, you will not be able to, the green leafy, the mustard leaves are not gonna become as the desired consistency when we finally get the dish done. It's really hot, I should say. And this is the locally available pork here, so does not have too much fat in it. Just perfect for this recipe. So our dish is ready, and we are going to the next phase where we are going to add water. This is warm water. Look how refreshing and beautiful the dish is already looking, and I'm going to add some more water to it, and then so at this point in time the dish might be looking a little runny, and that's because we are going to add the rice flour powder later, and also to ensure that the meat is thoroughly cooked. So this is 1 kg of meat, and I have added almost 2 liter. Yeah, this is a 2 liter jug, and we're going to increase the flame now and then cover and cook it for 15 minutes for now, and then we're going to check the dish. Like I mentioned earlier, your mustard greens should really become pulpy, and this almost looks like the one that we get in shakes. And at this point in time, we are going to check the salt. Tastes really delicious, but the salt is really something that has been absorbed by the meat, and so I'm going to add all of these because we are going to add our rice flour powder. Stirring it one last time before we go, and so at this point in time we are going to add our rice flour. So take your ladle, and this is going to be a simultaneous process. Stir continuously and keep adding your rice flour. As you can see, the gravy has already started to thicken. Showers of rice flour. It's still very runny, so I'm going to add one more handful of it. We don't follow any kind of measurement process here, so I'm just going to wait now and see. So just ensure that you don't add too much of it, as the rice flour has to cook and it will, thicken as you cook it. The dish is thickening with time. So there you go. Our mustard greens with pork or gahori with pithali bhelka is ready. It's really looking hearty and delicious, and we just can't wait to try it. The green color is really refreshing. So here is our lai pata gahori made in pithali bhelka. I hope you can see I've taken like one piece of fat and meat here. Woo. Cooked to perfection. The gruel is so heartwarming and just perfect for your winter nights. And I'm going to try out the meat now. The meat is well done and really comforting. I'm blown out of my mind to be honest, and I'm really sleeping in now with all this smoke and everything that had to go while cooking this. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your family and friends. And also, if you're cooking any of these dishes, do direct message me on Instagram or on my Facebook page, which are also called Snigda's Bioscope. Until then, I will see you in the next vlog. I can't. It's too hot.